It's exciting to see light bulbs turning on for participants over the course of the Institute as they come to realize that what their heart has been telling them all along is of course true.
Myself, I do struggle with data sometimes because I'm a very passionate teacher. So sometimes I teach with my feelings. And now with this week experience, I realize I need evidence and data to help drive instructions more effectively than I already have.
What excites me is the information, the amount of information I'm getting. I love it, and I'm able to actually bring it back to my school building, turnkey, and help my colleagues better understand data and the importance of looking at reliable, valid data and using that to drive instruction, as well as ensure we're meeting the needs of all of our students and maintaining that equity.
No student can be reduced to a number, and it's important to look at a wide range of sources of evidence, including listening carefully to the voices of students themselves to make meaningful improvements in teaching and learning.
There's much to be excited about. Walking away from this week, just learning the plethora of information that's been given to us. The new lens or a set of fresh eyes to be able to bring data literacy and what that could look like in our school building.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to take this information back to my building and inspire others, get them excited about data and knowing it's just not about like numbers and things like that, but think of it as looking at your children and saying, what do they need? So take away the numbers, because that can be very intimidating for people if you're not comfortable with math, but think about it, how can I support my kids?